Welcome back to Kill Switch, my 7 Days to Die series. I have had a bit of a problem and lost a ton of footage here, like all day footage, but here we are. We're gonna give you a little recap. We ended up in a building where we're holed up for the night, and we gotta try to survive into the day. Doesn't look good because, well, if you look at the bottom left-hand side, we've got some problems, some serious problems. We're also starving to death. So bear with me as I try to escape this house, and then we're going to go back to where we can finish digging up that treasure.
I'm kind of thinking they're not going to go away, and I'm going to have to fight my way out of this thing. What the heck happened? I threw something out and they started going nuts over it. Oh my gosh. We're just going to sit here and be quiet for 3 more hours. Okay, we made it out of the house. We got the loot. I think we're just going to go back and bang on that thing for a while. Alright, how's our water? We got 2 of those and 1 of these. We're going to drink that. Here in just a little bit, we'll let it get down to there. We're just starving though. We could eat some meat if we could just cook it. Alright. I have no food back at the house. I'm gonna need a rock or 2. I guess the first thing we'll do is get a rock or 2. But we made it. We made it out. That's the important part. Oh, there's a rock. Okay. We really need some food. There better be food in this thing. There usually is. Fish and digest. Oh. Well, sorry bud, but that's us right there. We don't got time, energy, health, anything else. We don't got any of that. I got an idea. Modify. That out. Modify. Put that in. Complete. Alright. I heard something weird. Alright. Alright, we'll boil one egg at a time if that's what it takes. I don't know what the heck is going on. Boiled egg. What? Boiled egg. Oh, we gotta have a pot. Well, that was useless. Well, we got a little bit of water. Let's just drink it. Use. Alright. You know what? I've got repair kits back at the place. This is 30. Alright. How many of these can we cook on there? Recipe. Charred meat. 2. Do that. Let's do that. Get it over there. Oh, I was using my power attack. Well, we ain't dead. Not exactly. Yeah. Modify. Let's get back into us. Modify. Complete. Alright. Would have been much better. I would have taken food over that. I know we have at least 2 honeys, but it may be only 2 honeys. There we go. So if I can get, you know, that extra one, which I just got, then I know I can beat it, because it's 5% per. And I'm over 10%, but I'm less than 15%. So we'll see. I mean, it's treating it, it's going down. I'm delirious. I have eggs and I have boiled water. Okay, well, we're trying meat. I don't understand why. Okay. There we go. There we go. Alright, drink water. Drink water. Let's get rid of this. All that stuff. That. We're gonna need that too. We got paper. Paper, paper, paper. Alright. Oh, wrong one. Okay. My guys are just not happy. Bones, clay. I need a repair kit. This guy is not going to be... 10. Let's just put him right here. This guy, repair. Medical. This, jars. Oh yeah, we're keeping that. Get rid of the metal. Actually, I think we're putting metal right here, right? Metal? No. Here. Metal. Iron arrows? How'd they get there? Alright, duct tape. That. That. Actually, we're taking this back. Oh, we need to take that. Use. And use again. Does give us a little bit of health. Whoa, 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 I forgot about something. Alright, use this. 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 One more. Come on, come on, come on. Let's drink a couple more of these. Alright, here's what we're going to do with us. We're going to keep 10 of these on us. And let's get rid of that. Wait, that. And that. Alright, what do we got on here? Alright, we are going to go buy ourselves an AK in 30 seconds. Look, our stats are starting to look better. How's that? Fantastic. Alright, we're just going to let that one... Yeah, we'll let that one finish cooking. Then we're going to go run and buy an AK. 2, 1, take it. Alright, turn off. Alright, let's go.
If you are here to buy, I've got the best selection of medicine in the wasteland.
Oh no. She no longer has it. Oh no. She no longer has it. The AK is gone. Okay, I looked carefully through it. I'm not buying any lockpicks. I will buy... I'm not buying the hunting knife. I'm not buying Jack. Because... Okay, I'll buy that. This is not funny.
Thank you so much. Hey, come again.
Did I get any skill points? 1. I got Lucky Looter up. Okay. I would do this. I don't think we can craft lockpicks outside of, like, I think we need something for it. Okay, buy, like a, crafting table, which I think there's one in here, but I don't think it works. I think it's dead. Yeah, that's destroyed. Yeah, this place has nothing that works. Destroyed. And that over there is destroyed. Although, hold on. Lockpicks. Oh, it was destroyed too. Jiminy Christmas. Alright, it's halfway through day 7. And we got nothing. Is there anything that we can just take back? Yeah. Okay, better, let's leave this here. Where's this? Right here. Alright. It's 13:16 on Day of Horde. We can make some more blunderbuss ammo. We got some coffee. I'm thinking about looting this place. But I don't have a lot of room. Somebody's awake back there. Let's do this. Alright. This is the Day of Horde. It's 14:20. We are going to just do our best to go through here and grab a few things. Alright, I hear somebody falling from the ceiling or something. I can hear them. Nope, come on out of the bathroom. Alright, let's do this as fast as we can. Oh, can't do it as fast as we can because I have no stamina. I know how to miss really well with a blunderbuss. Alright. Reload that one. Alright. We're gonna toilet pistol. Nope. Toilet pistol. Nope. Toilet pistol. Nope. Toilet pistol. Nope. Toilet pistol! Alright. Let's just go through everything we possibly can. All those are empty. No register. Gas grill. 14 bones and a gas grill. Who would have thunk it? Alright. None of these are open. Dang it. Wow. Okay. Interesting. We got a second toilet pistol. But we did get a toilet pistol, so we're doing alright. What's in here? Okay. Somebody's on the outside, not having a good time, that's for sure. I missed! Dang it. I had just enough energy in us to do that. Lots of concrete, and what we'll do is we'll come back tomorrow and get all this. What I'm hoping for is some tools. So, I'm going to move a little slower. No boxes up there. Oh, there's a bag. That was a coffee. We'll look at the bag here in a second. Nope, doesn't work. Alright. Alright. We'll end up in there. I remember how. Alright. Hey, buddy. Hey, we're infected. I totally forgot about that. Oh, we got ourselves a little mini horde. Okay. Stay down. I may have to use... Out of stamina, out of stamina, out of stamina. Alright. Reload. I don't think I made it through that reload. Dang it. Wait, I got stamina. What am I doing? That was the wrong tool for this job. That was the wrong tool for this job. Hey, it worked. Okay. Alright. We lived. Anything over here? No. Alright, let's go in here. Then we'll go up on the roof. Great, we're gonna have to do this. Can't believe we actually got a toilet pistol. That's great. Oh. My mouse scroll wheel is just jacked up. Alright, get rid of that. We're gonna keep that, that's a good find. Alright. It's weird, you can hear them walking around out there and it just sounds like they're in here, you know what I mean? Alright, we're gonna go up that ladder here in just a second. Before we do, we're gonna go check this place out. I don't even know what I read. I'm in a hurry. I hear somebody. Scrap, get rid of that. Keeping the rest. Actually, we're gonna get rid of this. When we leave, we're probably just gonna jump off the roof. Oh. Alright, we got you. Oh, where are you? Oh, crap. We're gonna die here. Nope. How about you? You? Nope. Ah. Move. Just move. Alright. Stay down. We got a little bit of time left. Oh, seriously? Alright. 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 Oh, this way, yeah. Don't forget it. Okay, we can't drop in and get the loot because we can't get back out right now. That's where the main loot's at. I totally forgot about that. We got wood. Okay, alright, we're gonna give it a try anyway. Something back there. Nothing back there. And this is not a trap. Give us some good tools. Scrap. Scrap. Alright. What else? I don't know that I got anything good in that. I got that hammer. Some ammo for guns that I don't have. Still at... it's gonna be low. It's gonna be day 10 before we can get back here and loot. And we're still getting stone. That was a generator, though. That's a good thing. Okay. You got that. Alright, scrap. Nope. That's scrap. 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 Modify. Take that out. Modify. Put that in. Complete. Swap. Scrap. Modify. Take that out. Put that in. Complete. Swap. Scrap. 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 Get rid of that. We could sell those. We could use those to make stuff. This is gonna go here. This is gonna go here. We got plenty of fluids. Let's just use that. Alright. I don't think there's anything else in this room. Nope. Nope, can't do it. Alright. Oh. Give that back. And we froze up. I'll keep that bit of brass. Alright. This is us moving with broken bones and junk. What is our problems anyway? Let's look them up. Sprained arm. Treated abrasion. That's all we've got. Yeah, we're going down on that. Okay, so let's do this. Get the rest of those. This food. Should have used the eye candy. We might have been able to actually get real tools. I just was in a hurry. Books. Food. It is time to move. We'll be back for that stuff, but we're going to be limping back. Alright, let's do this. Not there, there, there. Stuff we're going to sell. Boom, boom. We're going to use this right now. Let's get rid of the Dukes. This is a handy place to put a generator and a battery bank. And all this, well, we keep this down here. Keep that. Stuff that we don't need on us for Horde, that we will normally need on us. Right there. Let's get rid of dye, bones, cans. Bring the bottles down. That. We'll hold on to that. Use it as repairs. Or this. We don't need. Yeah, we'll need that too. Get rid of that. Scrap that. Get rid of that. Oh, we're gonna put that. Actually, let's just keep 2 of those on us for repairs. Right there. That's where that goes. Oh, since we're in there, let's put this away, this away, this away. We'll use those. We're going to put this here. Alright, that's all stuff that we're going to sell to improve our Duke situation along with this. Put these away, put that away. And I'm going to put these here also. Alright, so we've got a car battery. Actually, we've got several. Oh, there we go. We got 2 car batteries, and we've got this battery bank. But we don't have anything to use with it, like lights and traps. So there's no point in putting that up. I think for now, I'm going to do this. To help protect us from birds. We need to get the concrete in our inventory too. Alright. And this will keep us a little clear of birds. Let's make a couple more. Concrete. I don't know if we can actually effect a repair with that. Let's load our gun. Do we have any mods we could put on a gun? I don't think so. I don't think we picked up any mods for a gun. Yes. Yes. That is awesome. Complete. Alright. Yeah. I think we're good. Yeah, I think we're good. This looks like a good chunk of inventory for us. Let's go back and make sure everything's loaded. Looks like we're all healed up too. You know what? Now wouldn't be a bad time to go down and clear up some corn while we wait. We got nothing better to do than to punch corn and corn stalks. Now let's just get up here. Alright. Got that guy over there. Get him up here. What? Well, that was a lucky shot. We can hold 23 bullets. We're going to try to melee as much as we can. Everything's in good shape. Right now. Yeah. Alright. Nothing in there. Let's go and eat this egg. Get rid of this stuff. Buster's eye candy. Those are important things, actually. Oh, I forgot about this guy. Let's put him down on here. Let's bring this over here too. We don't need that right now. Where was I putting stuff I didn't need? Right here? Yeah. We don't need this right now. Let's put that right there. God, I wish I had a shotgun. Look at all that. We're not going to use a Molotov cocktail. Not tonight. There's nothing in here, right, that we can use that's better than what we've got. Hey, how does our stuff look right now? Does it need to be repaired? 6, 3, 3. Yeah, I don't think we need to repair anything at the moment. Having a repair kit on us for the gun, actually all the repair kits, that's a good idea too. Alright, that is the big scary noise we've been waiting for, and they're coming from that direction. Wow. Wow. I may have made a mistake. Okay. This is all gonna have to be headshots. Ah. Let's check this. Alright, that's taking us a little bit to repair. Alright. Yeah, this is a bit more intense than I was expecting from this Horde Knight. I missed her, didn't I? God damn it. Got 44 left. Oh, gosh. Here's the last one. was exactly what I didn't need. It's okay though. Alright, that may have been Horde. I don't hear the pitter patter of little feet. Alright, let's go see. Brass. There's a book and some money. Some more brass and some stone stuff that I don't need that I'll end up scrapping. Alright. Lanterns. Mining hats and helmet light mods. Yes. Alright. 118 dukes. This we don't need, so we're going to scrap it. This we're going to put right here. This is some pretty good damage, but not a lot in the money. Alright, let's put this here. And we're keeping this over here. Alright. I'm interested to know what kind of damage we have up here. Interesting. Our top block got damaged a little bit. Yeah, we're all out of concrete. Yeah, we definitely need to get concrete big time. That's getting scary. Yeah, forged steel is good though. That was actually pretty good. We have 15 bullets spare, and that's it. Let's go and put these up. Put these up. And we're going to hold on to everything else. And let's go ahead and reload everything. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to go ahead and prepare the gun. Just so that I don't have to worry about it later. It has a very low durability. It's a level 1. And that's kind of messed up. So I hate to do this, but we're going to spend the rest of the night just sitting up here waiting for Horde Night to end. So that's it. I will be talking to you guys later. Maybe the next episode. I don't know. It'll just happen whenever it happens. I'll start editing and figure it out from there. Y'all have a good one. Oh, before I go though, please remember to share my content if you like it, subscribe to it if you like it, and hit that like button. It'll help other people find me with the algorithms. Thank you much.